Hello students, today's topic is factor theorem. In the previous class, we have covered remainder theorem, right? To understand this factor theorem, let's take a question. Is 2 a factor of 8? The answer to this question obviously yes, because if we divide 8 by 2, my quotient is 4, and interestingly my remainder is 0, right? So what do you understand from this? If remainder is 0, then it will be a factor. If the remainder is not 0, then it will be not a factor. Okay, now I have taken number in this question. Let's extend this concept to a polynomial. Alright, so let's say I have a question like this: is x minus 1 a factor of, let's say, x cube minus x square plus 4? What I'll do, I'll find a remainder. If the remainder is 0, then obviously factor. If the remainder is not 0, then it's not a factor, right? So how shall we find a remainder? We shall use the remainder theorem. So I'll declare this as the p of x. So x cube minus x square plus 4. So x minus 1 I have to divide. So I'll take x minus 1 equal to 0. X is equal to 1. So by remainder theorem, we have already discussed this theorem earlier. Remainder will be what? P of 1. So let me find P of 1 now. So P of 1 will be, of course, 4. The remainder is not 0. So is x minus 1 a factor of this? Answer will be no. Alright, let me take another question for your better understanding. Suppose question is 2x plus 3 a factor of, let's say, x square plus 2? Okay, so my p of x is x square plus 2, and I have to divide by 2x plus 3. So I have to find a 0 of 2x plus 3. So 0 of 2x plus 3 will be how much? Minus 3 by 2. So my remainder will be how much? P of minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 2 will give you 9 by 4 plus 2. Take 4 LCM, and this will be 17 by 4. So since the remainder is 17 by 4 and not equal to 0, is 2x plus a factor? No. Alright, so two things are required to know. One, if the remainder is 0, then a factor. If the remainder is not a 0, not a factor. And how to find this remainder using remainder theorem. For this, you have to know the remainder theorem properly. Those who have not done remainder theorem, please do it properly first. In the next video, we shall discuss another important topic.